So if you're looking for a new microphone and you don't know which one to get, I'm gonna be helping you out today by showing you this unboxing of the Hollyland Lark M2. I'm very excited to unbox this microphone because for the longest time I've been using the Rode Link system, and although it's a very professional microphone system, there are some things that I don't love about it, such as its size and lack of portability in comparison to the Bluetooth microphones that now exist in the market. So I bought this microphone just yesterday and it arrived today, and I'm super excited to unbox it, show you what it looks like and what it sounds like. So let's get started. And for those who don't know, we live in Mexico, in Puerto Vallarta. And so Amazon, yeah, like it's a big deal here and stuff, but this company, Mercado Libre, is like the Mexican Amazon. They did one-day shipping. They beat Amazon. So here it is, the Hollyland Lark M2. So let's unbox it. All right. So here we have the nice heavy feeling box, Lightning USB-C. We have a very nice pouch, USB-A to USB-C cable, and 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter cable. That goes from the camera to the receiver. Got some dead cats, 2 of them, so I'll open up the other one later. These are the necklace attachments. One of the things that really appealed to me, it's kind of like a fashion accessory. There we go. These are the necklaces there. And they're extendable with these nice rubber bits. Ooh, wow. And this thing is tiny, which makes me feel like the microphone is also gonna be tiny. I'm gonna leave that on. And okay, let's open this up. This is a moment we've been waiting for. Okay, we have one mic, the other mic, the receiver. This is the case. It's made out of plastic. It's lightweight. It looks like it comes pre-charged, so it's full of battery. It's got a USB-C plug at the back. It feels decent, honestly. It feels like decent quality. I wouldn't want to drop it. I could see this breaking. But for what it is, if it's in your camera bag or your computer desk or whatever, have it handy. It's a nice case. So here it is, here's the system. Let's check out one of these mics. Extremely lightweight, although you do feel the weight of the magnet. This is the microphone itself. And here, I'm not sure how this works. So we're trying to figure it out together. Okay, so oh, that's a magnet. Okay, I see. So it's got a magnet at the back. If I was to put it on this, there it is. That's what it looks like on me. It's tiny. It really is, and it's really lightweight. And with the magnet at the back, let's do a test through the shirt. That's solid. Wow, that's really good. Let's try out the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And I've never used this before, FYI, so we're gonna figure it out together. You just plug it in, some lights turn on there, and let's see what happens on this end. Oh, a blue light turns on, and the TX2 turns on as well. Now let's go to the voice memos. Hello. Hey, this is Sebastian. Nice, you can see there the audio that's picking up. And this is the Hollyland Lark M2. This is handheld, maybe 3 inches from my mouth. Test, 1, 2, 3. Now let's put it on the chest bit. This is the Hollyland Lark M2. Test, 1, 2, 3. And also, I read somewhere, or I saw somewhere that it comes with some stickers. Ooh, there they are. It comes with these stickers that you can put right over the microphone. So you can spice things up with some humor, maybe with like some sort of emoji, or you got the black ones for that sleek professional look. Well, the white ones, which I think would still give a sleek professional look. So far as you've seen, it's basically plug and play. So let's try it out again with the camera app here. Hey Jess, what's up? Say hello to the camera.
Hey.
What's your role today?
I'm the camera woman.
You're the camera woman. All right. As you can see, it's basically plug and play. Literally plug this receiver on. You don't have to unplug it to play it back from your phone, which is awesome. And now we're gonna do a test like right now. We're not even gonna stop the camera. We're gonna just plug this straight in to the camera and see what the audio sounds like straight out of the box.
Do you want to say a riddle?
Peter Piper Pepper. Peter Pan. She sells seashells by the seashore. Okay, let's switch. So this is a test now with the Honey Lark. Oh my gosh. The Hollyland Lark M2. This is the road link, by the way, just so you get an idea. It's a system that's much bigger. It's a AA system. So you got AA batteries here, and it's really easy to use. You just plug it in, press the button, and you're good. But I do like this magnetic system much better. Let's put this on my clothes here, for example. It looks like a t-shirt logo if I just put it there. What else do we have in these bags? Just to show you, there's some other magnets. These are clip-ons. And so the cool thing about this is you can actually use this clip just like you would here with the Road Link. This is nice and strong, so this will hold on to like a tie or like a suit jacket. And so is this. For being plastic, it's really, really tight. All right, so now the microphone is on my collar. We're using the clip. Honestly, it's really sturdy. Like that's solid. Like you can probably go on a jog and not drop this. There's also a noise cancellation feature. So I'm gonna play some background noise on my phone here. So as far as I know, this button, if you press it, will have noise cancellation. So let's push this button and see how that sounds. The light has now switched to green. I'm not sure what that means, but again, this is an out of the box review, like full unboxing. So the light is now green and I'm talking, and in the background we have cafe sounds, coffee shop sounds, cafe noise, 442,000 views. I should quit my job and make these videos instead. But here I am doing what I love. I'm gonna push the button again and it's back to blue. So we're back to blue, which I assume is off. And one more time, we're gonna switch to green. Hello, hello, hello. Oh my God. I'm gonna switch it back to blue because that's how it came out of the box. Put it back on this necklace. I saw in one of the reviews that these were a bit annoying to put on. And I also heard some frustration with like once you put it on because the microphone is at the top here. Oh, actually no, look at that. Look at that. There is an arrow. So you know which way is up. There you go, no complaints. See, these people are smart. Now it's facing up and you can tell me what that sounds like. I also did one thing. I took the receiver off of my camera and I just want to compare. I know that I don't have the receiver right now for the Honey Lark. Oh my gosh. I don't have it here, but as you saw, it's small. The receiver fits in here, okay? It's tiny. Look at this receiver. It's huge. It's huge. This is what the Rode one is like. I've had this for a while. This cost around 400, 500 bucks maybe at the time. Yes, these microphones are really, really good and this is really high quality audio. It's professional quality audio, but you can see the size of the system is just so big compared to the size of this. It's literally, for comparison there, it's smaller than one of these two things. There are a couple things I noticed though. One of them is that there's no external microphone jack. So you cannot plug in a microphone like this into it. And that just means that these microphones have to be very good quality, otherwise you're stuck with shit quality. From what I've heard so far, these microphones are pretty good quality. So that bridge is crossed. Another thing is the quality of the audio. These are 24-bit, which means that you're gonna wanna make sure that you're recording at relatively optimal levels. Honestly, so far I'm really impressed They are plug and play. They have a USB-C, they have a lightning, they just plug right into your phone and they work. And I think for 300 bucks for the whole kit, that is really good. That is really, really, really good. This I would say is a budget-friendly, high-quality system. I'm really excited to use it. One other thing that I noticed about these, it is something to note. These do not have internal storage. And so for situations where you're gonna be recording from really far away, you do wanna make sure that these have internal storage so that you don't cut your audio out. I think maybe for social media content, they're fine. But if you're looking for like a legit reliable system, like when we shot Uber, I use this. But this, I don't know. We will see. Probably not, but for my home stuff, YouTube videos and social media videos, I definitely will. I'm super stoked. So, all right, and there you have it. That is my unboxing and review of the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless microphone system. I'm gonna be testing this out throughout the next few weeks, see how it sounds. So far, I'm really impressed with the weight, the size, what the kit includes, the USB-C, the lightning, these clips, the dead cats, the charging box. So I'm curious, do you own the system? Do you own a different system? Comment below. I wanna know what microphone systems you guys are using. Are you using something that is more robust and professional like the Rode Link? Are you using something that is more run and gun? And I'll be happy to make another video where I can actually tell you my experience after getting some hands-on recording time with these microphones. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click that like and subscribe button and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.